We're having a look at my nasturtiums here. They're really beautiful flowers that are really useful to have in the kitchen garden because you can eat all parts of them. The flowers are edible, really tasty and a bit spicy, and the leaves as well. Taste a bit like watercress and they're really tasty. The best ones to eat are the really small, young, tender ones because they're really delicious and they're so full of nutrition. Really, really healthy things. But the things I'm looking for today, I'm hunting for these little guys down here. These are the seeds, the nasturtium seeds. And if you pick them, take them over here, they actually come apart into 3 usually. And what you do is you pickle them just with a regular pickle mix with a bit of I use apple cider vinegar, and they just taste so amazing after just a few weeks of pickling. So delicious. So you just there's loads of seeds down here. If you don't pick them soon enough, then they turn a bit brown and hard, and then you can save them as seeds for next year. But when you get them with nice and green, you can make wonderful, wonderful capers out of them. And they actually, in my mind, they taste better than real capers, but they are known as poor man's capers. They're so delicious. So I'll actually show you how I do it, because it's such a simple recipe. So I'll take you into the kitchen and show you that. I'll just pick a few more of these. They're really funny looking seeds. It's so delicious. And you make them up. Usually when I do some pickling, I pick a few bay leaves to add to the pickle mix because I got this beautiful tree that I planted from a little tiny sapling a few years ago, and it's growing really well. But this time I thought I'd try something a bit different. This time I have this beautiful kaffir lime tree, a very tiny one, and it's really flowering now, so it just smells amazing when you get close to it. It's also got a few fruits developing. But what I thought I'd do is actually, rather than use my usual bay leaves in the pickling mix, I would add a kaffir lime leaf, because they add a really sort of citrusy, lemony, limey flavor to foods, and I thought it'd be really fun to try using one of these with my pickle. So I'll just pick one little leaf. These really special kinds of leaves that look like 2 leaves attached. So let's get one of the bottom ones down here, just snip it off and take it back inside. So I filled my jar here with nasturtium seeds. I've also added a few of the flower heads because I think the little buds are really tasty as well. They've got a lovely little peppery flavor to them. And I put the little kaffir lime leaf sort of on the side there, just so it can be weighed down by all the seeds. One of the best things about this recipe, besides being super delicious, is that it's so easy to make and it really requires so few ingredients. So I've just mixed up equal parts apple cider vinegar and water and added 1 tablespoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar to the mix. And I'll just show. So I just poured the really boiling liquid into the jar, nasturtium seeds, and I'll just seal it up, and that's that. So I'm just going to store this somewhere cool and dark for the next 2 weeks and then eat it. Obviously, because it's made as it is, you can't just leave it out of the fridge for too long because then it would go off. But yeah, it's a really delicious little treat to make for the autumn.